Welcome. You're going to want to watch today's video to learn how to find out where you can purchase a particular asset, digital asset, coin, crypto, token, whatever you want to call it. So there are two main websites you can go to. There's going to be coingecko.com and there's going to be coinmarketcap.com. Coinmarketcap.com is owned by Binance Exchange, so they will be more biased towards Binance, and you have coingecko. Coingecko is independent, so I actually prefer to use coingecko. And then that little handy thing, if you have an account, you set up an account, you can by using these platforms you can just earn these little, they're not cryptocurrencies but just like little kind of gems, tokens and stuff, and you can redeem them for things. So that's something I recently learned, and I need to make sure I log in and do that, and I can earn some prizes and stuff. But anyway, let's get into it. So you look up an asset. In this example, we're looking at XRP because a question has been asked about where can someone buy XRP from. And so this is what you would do. Any crypto you have, you would just, or want, you could just type it in the search engine on here, type it in search, it will come up. It will give you all the details, pricing, 24-hour range, the low end, the high end, etc. On the right hand side, we have the websites, official links, official wallets. It tells you here, literally tells you where the wallets are supporting it. It gives you their social media and stuff like that. But yeah, so markets, you want to come down, and underneath here we see market cap and trading volume and all that stuff. You've got the overview, you've got the markets. We're going to click on markets, and that should load up. And here we are. So this is all the exchanges that currently hold XRP. One of the things with XRP is, due to the lawsuit with the SEC, many exchanges delisted it. But we can see that Binance has it. These other exchanges, a lot of these I don't really know. MEXC, I have heard of them, never used them. BitGit is a derivatives trading platform. Kraken sold it. Bitstamp, Bitfinex, BingeX, don't know them, but I've heard the name recently, might need to check them out. Bybit, once again, a leveraged derivative trading platform. OK Exchange, so OKX, Bitbank, some of these are much lower. Now, when you look at this table, you're going to be in order. You've got, so like percentage of volume, 24-hour trade volume. So you want to reorder this. You can reorder it in terms of price. The spread is like the percentage they have between their prices and the like agreed core price of the asset. But if you do 24-hour volume, you want to do your trading primarily on exchanges that have the most liquidity and have the most trading volume. This is because you'll be able to make a trade. You're not going to get much slippage or spread, etc. So Binance, in this example, is obviously a winner. And they got Binance, so USDC, T even. They got the Binance standard stablecoin, UTX, OKX, or whatever. Kraken's way down there, way down there. So yeah, the trading volume still good. I mean, the spread is below 1%. That's the trading for 300,000 or whatever it is. Anyway, we're just going to go to, just to finish this video off, we are here now going on coinmarketcap.com. Similar kind of layout. Familiarize yourself with it. Social media, all that kind of thing, etc. Once again, click on markets. I like to check both because they may have different results that come up. Obviously, as I said, it's going to be leaning towards Binance primarily, being owned by Binance. But if we do the trading volume percentage, so yeah, once again, obviously Binance is at the top. Bybit's got quite a lot of volume. Let's have a look at the volume instead of the percentages. So is that going to change it? Yeah, you don't want that. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, so Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io. So yeah, so all of these there, Kraken again, Bybit. All of these exchanges are there on two websites: coingecko.com, coinmarketcap.com. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe, and have a good day.